everybody. Come on, Millie, it's starting. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ah! Whoa, the ground is shaking. My face hurts. Let's dance to some crazy music. My face. Pretend that you guys will carry me back up. I said, Baba Mama. I said, Baba. I'm sad. I'm sad, you guys. There's a problem. What? We don't have any food thing to play with, or money, or food, or we don't have toys, food, or money. We can't buy toys because that costs money. We have these. Those are aprons. We can make food. We have no food to make the food with. We have a chicken. Wait, but we have a farm. We can go to the farm and get some nice fresh food and sell those for money. And then with that money, we can get new food to make more food and sell for even more stuff. Does that sound like a good plan? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. First, we gotta go in the garden and pick some crops. Beep, beep, beep. You guys go. You have a garden and Millie has a garden, so we have to all get some from our garden. Okay, that's the food. Something nonsense. Everyone hide under it. Okay, let's go sell it. Here. I got food. Here. I got food. I got money. Let's buy some stuff for food. Foodie. Oh, I need to go to the bathroom. Let me go to the bathroom. And the bathroom? I want to go to the bathroom. I have to go in the bathroom. Okay, done. Stop. Okay, let's hug. Everyone, it's hug time. Stop. Millie, come on, we have to hug. That's enough hug time. More crazy music. Wait. I will eat all of you. No, not yet. Let's see our funny shows. Millie, come on. Oh, I think it's time for more crazy dancing. La 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 la. Bedtime. And you said.